Okay, so today I got in the mail a Razor grill I got off Messenger, and hopefully it actually comes in one piece because the packaging does not look to be wonderful. Enough tape on here to build a whole nother box, I think. This is what everybody on YouTube likes, right? Unboxing videos. Alright. Looks like we have a trim ring. It appears to be in one piece and not covered in dents. So that's nice. Now, are we ready for this? Ooh. Actually, doesn't look too bad. Get the custom packing job out of the way here. Oh. Looks like it comes with the trim piece for the hood as well. That's awesome. Set that aside. More surprises. Nope. This out of the way. Yeah. Okay. Got everything laid out here. It actually looks pretty good. And the trim piece for the hood as well. I don't think I'm going to need to use the trim piece for the hood because since I got the extra 77 Wagoneer, it's already got the correct hood with the correct hood release, and it's already got that trim panel in it. So I should just be able to pop my hood off, pop the new hood on, and everything should go into place. I really like these Razor grills when you're switching over to a round headlight style because there's not as much modification necessary. Most of it just went in from the factory with basically sheet metal screws. I will have to cut the tabs off that mount the pig nose off on this thing, but for the most part this is just put it in place, get it adjusted correctly, especially these ends that you have to bend into place. A couple dents on here, but honestly they're not bad enough to where I'm concerned about them. I don't know if I'm in love with the black stripe in the center. You guys tell me what you think about that. I know that was a newer thing they did on some of the J trucks and the Cherokees. I don't think the Wagoneer ever came with the black in the center of it. I mean, I kind of dig it, but at the same time, it's not my favorite. So probably the next video is going to be me taking this pig nose grill off and walking you guys through that, and then after that we'll go through the steps necessary to get it prepared to put this guy on. That's all I've got for today. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys up to date with every step along the way. If you guys have any questions or anything specifically you want me to cover, let me know, and you'll have a wonderful day.